Hello, road warriors. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where your next big adventure starts in style. We're ecstatic to present a pristine CARFAX one-owner 2015 Winnebago Journey 40R with only 24,000 miles, priced at a fantastic $139,900. This 41-foot Class A diesel pusher, built on a robust Freightliner Maxum chassis, features the highly popular 40R floor plan with 3 slide-outs and 1.5 baths, sleeping up to 4 in luxurious comfort. Adorned in Winnebago's stunning iron gray full-body paint package with black, burgundy, and silver striping, this RV sparkles with elegance, powered by a potent Cummins diesel engine with plenty of power for any situation. Hop aboard for a thrilling tour to explore every upscale feature of this incredible deal. Let's begin outside, where the 2015 Winnebago Journey 40R commands attention. The iron gray full-body paint package with its sleek, high-gloss finish ensures this coach turns heads at every campground and is easy to clean. Spanning 41 feet, it's crafted on a heavy-duty Freightliner Maxum chassis with full air brakes and air ride suspension, delivering a smooth, confident ride on any journey. Powered by a Cummins ISL diesel engine, it produces 380 horsepower and 1,150 foot-pounds of torque. Paired with an Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission with electronic shifting for effortless performance. The exterior is loaded with premium features to elevate your camping lifestyle. Full pass-through basement storage compartments, featuring a mega storage tray, offer abundant space for outdoor gear, from camping supplies to adventure equipment. An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV brings outdoor movie nights or tailgate parties to life. Power patio awning, power door awning, and slide toppers over all 3 slides create a shaded, stylish retreat at any campsite. One-touch 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls ensure quick, stable setup, while rear and side view cameras with an in-dash monitor make maneuvering a breeze. A 10,000-pound trailer hitch lets you tow a vehicle or trailer with ease. Powering your travels is seamless with this RV's top-notch systems. The Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator, housed on a slide-out service tray with auto gen start, delivers reliable power for off-grid adventures. A 50-amp service with an extension cord paired with a Magnum inverter charger and battery disconnects ensures efficient energy management. 3 roof-mounted AC units with heat pumps combined with dual ducted furnaces provide year-round comfort in any climate. Step inside, and the 40R floor plan unfolds as a spacious, elegant haven. 3 slide-outs create an expansive interior that sleeps up to 4, perfect for couples or small groups seeking premium comfort. The layout features a reclinable king-size bed in the master bedroom and a pull-out L-shaped sectional sleeper sofa in the front living room. The middle living room area is a cozy retreat with an L-shaped sectional sleeper sofa, a 50-inch TV, an electric fireplace with heat, and a small table dinette with 2 chairs, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. The sleek tile flooring and high-quality cabinetry create a refined, home-like ambiance that's both stylish and practical. The front kitchen floor plan is a culinary delight designed for seamless meal prep. It boasts a stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, a microwave convection oven, a gas stovetop, a stainless steel residential sink and faucet, and tons of counter space for easy cooking. Ample cabinetry keeps everything organized, while the modern design adds a touch of sophistication. The 1.5 bath setup is a standout, with a private half bathroom featuring a toilet, sink, vanity, and power vent fan for convenience, and a rear master bathroom with a large shower enclosure, glass doors, skylight, sink, vanity, toilet, power vent fan, and a stackable washer and dryer for ultimate practicality. The washer-dryer makes long-term travel or full-time living a breeze. The master bedroom is a serene retreat, crafted for restful nights. The reclinable king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV, ceiling fan, and dual wardrobe closets, ensures comfort and ample storage for your belongings. The slide-out creates a spacious, airy feel, enhanced by stylish window treatments for a warm, inviting atmosphere. The combination of the king bed and sleeper sofa offers comfortable sleeping for up to 4, making this RV ideal for intimate getaways or small group adventures. Let's highlight the features that make this RV exceptional. The 40R floor plan, with 3 slide-outs and 1.5 baths, offers a luxurious interior that sleeps 4 with ease. The Cummins ISL engine and Freightliner Maxum chassis deliver powerful, reliable performance, while the Onan generator and 50-amp service support off-grid freedom. Premium amenities like the mega storage tray, electric fireplace, and iron gray paint package add style and functionality, while the tile flooring, washer-dryer, and spacious bathrooms elevate the experience. At just $139,900, this CARFAX one-owner 2015 Winnebago Journey 40R with only 24,000 miles is a remarkable deal for a diesel pusher. Imagine cruising in this 2015 Winnebago Journey 40R, exploring scenic national parks, coastal shores, or quiet campgrounds with your loved ones. Picture gathering around the dinette for a meal, cozying up by the electric fireplace, or relaxing in the king-size bed after a day of exploration. This RV blends the comforts of a luxury home with the thrill of the open road, and its iron gray exterior ensures you travel with flair. With its low mileage and premium features, every journey will create lasting memories. Let's explore why this journey is a top contender. Winnebago's renowned craftsmanship shines in the durable construction, high-end finishes, and thoughtful design, like the tile flooring and front kitchen layout. Safety features like the rear and side view cameras and air brakes provide confidence, while the cockpit's intuitive design and in-dash monitor make driving a pleasure. From the washer-dryer to the spacious bathrooms, This RV is built for effortless luxury and adventure. Ready to make this beauty yours? Priced at just $139,900, this 2015 Winnebago Journey 40R is a rare opportunity to own a low-mileage, fully loaded diesel pusher. Call us at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or schedule a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is here to get you rolling in style. Thanks for joining us for this exciting walk-around of the 2015 Winnebago Journey 40R. Check out more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its 3 slide-outs, 1.5 baths, and unbeatable price, this coach is a must-see. Call us today at 864-260-9276 or visit portersrvsales.com to claim this 2015 Journey 40R. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're pumped to see you hit the road in luxury.